Assalamu alaikum, this is Muhammad Khair, math teacher at KKI Schools, and my mission today, my dear student, to revise briefly key features of quadratic equation. Actually, I will introduce for you the parent of a quadratic equation, Mr. X squared. Welcome. Welcome, x squared. This is the parent, and this is it is image, okay? I know you know. Okay, now what we have to study here, my dear student, actually we have to study how we can affect this parent, how we can move it up, move it down, move it left, move it right, flip it. Okay, let us start with flip it. If I want to flip it, just add negative here. So it will be like this. See? Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, I will affect this parent by make it wider. How I can make it wider? Just write any decimal or fraction in front of it. See? It will be wider like this. See? If I want to make it wider, look. I will make it smaller. 1/2, it is half a real. I will make it 1/4, that's mean quarter. It will be wider more. I know you know. Because of that, I will move to the next effect, which is I want to make it narrower. So I write any whole number, for example, 6. So it will be narrower like this. If I write 60, it will be narrower like this. This is mean narrower, okay? Are you happy with that, my dear student? Now I'm gonna to move it up, down, left, right, okay? What I moved, my dear student? Remember, I moved the parent, which is this. I affect in this, okay? Okay. Now I will move it up. I will move it up by 2. This is my parent. I moved up by 1, 2. So it will be like this. This is 2. So I have to write x squared plus 2. Very hard, yes? I know. Now I will move it down by -3. So it will be here, move it back here and move 3 steps down. So the function must be, can you tell me? Yes, it will be like this, -3, x squared -3. Okay, are you happy with that? Me too. Okay, let me erase this and return back the parent here. No, not like this. It will be here. This is up and down, my dear student. So up and down, I write like this: x squared plus 3. This is up 3 steps. X squared minus 3. That means it is down. Now, what if I want to move it left or right? Okay, left or right, I just take it. I will take it to the right 1 step. This is 1 step to the right. So now it is here. How I can write the equation? Actually, as I said before, I need parentheses and square and x and take breathe. Why I write 1 here and take a breathe? Because here I will write the opposite. This is positive 1, so it will be -1. Are you happy with that? Yes, me too. What if I want to move it to the left here, the parent I mean? Okay, I will move it to the left for 3 steps. See? here. I will move it to -3. So I need parentheses and square and x, and I will write the -3 and take a breath and write the opposite. So remember, my dear student, left and right. If you want to move the parent left or right, you have to opposite the sign inside here. And don't forget this. If you forget this, you will face the music. Yes, you will face the music. Are you happy with that, my dear student? Good. So far, so good, my dear student. Now, I will move it to the right, 2 steps and 3 steps up. Okay, see? This is 2 steps to the right and 3 steps up. Okay? So, the f of x will be, teacher, you said if you move it to the right, I need parentheses. Yes, my dear student. And I need square. I will never forget it. I need the x. Yes, thank you. I need to write the 2 and opposite the sign. So it is right, so negative. Then I move it upstairs 3 steps or 3 stairs. So +3. Okay, so this one is the vertex of this parabola. So how we can write the vertex, my dear student? The vertex is, it is not -2, it is 2 and 3. Okay, and let me add one more information, something called the axis of symmetry, the line that cut my parabola into 2 halves or 2 identical halves. Okay, and it is all of time come from the first part of the vertex as we agreed, me and you. So the axis of symmetry, it is x equal to, okay, this is the axis of symmetry. Okay, my dear student, okay? Are you happy with that? Me too, me too, me too. So let us take this example. I will not take a long of time. So suppose you have x plus 1, and here you have x, and here you have, for example, -1. Now I will move my parabola according to this dimension. So it is 1 and 1. I don't, no. I will change it actually. I will change this to 5. Good, good. Let's go. So this is my parabola. Okay, it was here actually, the parent. It was parent one at a time. Okay, before we affect it by those number. Now let's move. So +1, that's mean it is moved to the left. Moves to the left 1 step, and then -5, it is moved -5, so it is look like this. Okay, so you will write the vertex, which is this one. You know the name of our vertex, yes? Tu'muzza. Yes? So the vertex is -1 and -5. Okay? So only this you switch the sign. This one, don't touch it. Keep it as it is. Okay? Only this one. Faris. Abdul Karim. Only this one. Okay, now Oh, I forget something. So I will write the vertex again here clearly. It is -1 and -5. And he will ask me about the axis of symmetry. So x equal, yes, great. This is the axis of symmetry. Are you happy with that? Are you sure? Okay, me too. Now, now I will give you one example. You will be dizzy, I swear. This is very important, my dear student. We finish this part, okay? And let's go to the second part of this revision. Okay, let's go. Suppose you have a vertex. Vertex is 2 and 0. Okay. And this parabola, okay, that have vertex 2 and 0 pass through pass through 1 and 3. Now the question is, write the vertex form quadratic equation. As you know, my dear student, the vertex form, it is a x plus h all squared plus k. I know you know. Where is the vertex? This is the vertex. Actually, let me change this from 0. I will write 1. So, first of all, I will replace this by the h, yes, and this one by the k. Let's go. So I will erase this and write 2. And erase this and write 1 on this. Easy, yes? So I write the vertex form, but I need to find the a here, actually. How I can find it? I need to use the second point here, my dear student. And replace the 1 . The 1 will be x and the 3 will be y. Okay? But teacher, I don't have y here. No, you have y. This is the y. So I replace this by y. I can write y, I can write x, as you know. So the y equal 3. I replace this by the y and the 1 by the x. Let's start. This by 3 and the x by 1. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now, first of all, add, then square. So 2 plus 1, yes, 3. Bravo. 3 squared, 9. So here I have 9a. Now I will make the 9 alone and the a alone and happy. So I will move the 1 to the other side and make it negative. 3 minus 1 give me 2. I will divide 9 by 2 and this by 2. Sorry, by 9. Wallahi, I swear okay. So the 9 will disappear. The a equal 2 over 9. So you will write the equation again. Y equal 2 over 9 x plus 2 squared plus 1. Are you happy with that? Me too. Now I have one more question, my dear student. You have to know it. It is very important also. If you have this equation, x squared plus bx plus 6, and the given here okay, and I have this graph. This is parabola, okay? Suppose it is parabola. Don't suppose it is parabola. I will draw another one. I am better than this, I know. Suppose you have this, and he say the vertex is I don't know. It is given like this is 2 and this is 3. So he asks you to find B here. Okay, how we can find B? As you remember, how we can find a vertex from a standard quadratic equation? We say, if you remember, B over A, what I get, divide by 2, what I get, I switch the sign. You remember that? Okay. First of all, I need what? I need the vertex. From where I will get it? From here. Where is the vertex? It is here. It is the bottom of the parabola in this. So it is 2 and negative 3. So my part is here, 2. I will write 2 must be equal. I hate this color actually. Let me change it by orange. Okay. Now, 2, this is orange. This is not orange. This is red, by the way. Okay, again from the beginning. 2 equal, forget the 2. Let us apply. B over A, let us start. B over A, the A is 1. B over A, which is 1, okay, divide by 2, switch the sign, must equal this part. This is what you know, okay? So 2 by 1 equal 2. Then multiply this by this, give me 4. So negative B equal 4. So B equal negative 4. You know this. So first of all, you will find the vertex. Okay? You care about the first part of the vertex. You apply what you learned about negative B over 2A, and we do it in this way. B over whatever here, over 1, if it is 2, for example, if it is 2. Let us take one more example. Suppose this is 2. B over 2, divide by 2, I need one more 2, switch the sign, it will be negative, must equal the first part of the vertex. Multiply 2 by 2 here. Then 4 by 2, give me 8. I write it here. Negative B equal 8, that means B equal negative 8. So I write here instead of B, negative 8. Are you happy with that, my dear student? This is all. I hope I can help you to do your mission. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.